Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav, your maths teacher from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, now this is the time for revision. You know about this. So we will revise chapter 12 patterns here. So children, I hope you all have watched the videos which have been uploaded till now. So have a look here on revision. What are patterns, children? Pattern is a arrangement of repeated figure, numbers. Now you see patterns in so many things like in your mama sari, in your school bag, in your water bottle. So when we repeat the same number, same alphabet and same figure, it is called pattern. We will see one by one each pattern here. First of all, we will see figure patterns. What are figure patterns? Look here, triangle, rectangle, again triangle, then rectangle. Now we have to repeat these patterns. So look here, triangle, then rectangle, triangle, rectangle. Then what will come now? Triangle will come now. And after triangle, what will be there? This is rectangle. So children, this is a figure pattern which is given in picture. Now we will see the next pattern. This is number pattern. In number pattern, number patterns. In number patterns, children, few numbers shown here. Suppose I am writing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now what we will do? We will repeat the numbers like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Then what will come? 2 will come here. After 2, 1 will come here. So what we are doing here? We are repeating the numbers again and again. Now let's see one more. Suppose I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then what will be the next? We will skip 11 and we will write 12. After 12, we will skip 13 and we will write 14 here. And in other way you can say this is the table of 2, you have to write the table of 2. I hope you have understood. Now we will see the next pattern. This is now we have to follow the given rule here. One capital A, then small a. After it, capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Now we have to fill the blanks here. What will come after it? A, B, C. But one is capital and one is small. So what we will write after C? We will write one capital D and one small d. And after one capital D or small d, we will write capital E and small e. I hope you have understood. Suppose I am writing day, night, day. Then what you have fill here? Day, night, day. What will come after it? Night. After night, day will be here. So I hope you have understood how we will complete the patterns. This is totally based on arrangement of numbers, repeated arrangement of numbers, letters and figures. So children, I hope you have understood. this chapter revision. We will discuss this chapter in our live doubt session. Thank you.